Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace passenger seat armrest on 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is gonna apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2008 and all the way up to 2020. Tools that I'm gonna be using to complete that work is ratchet with extension and 45 Torx bit, and I'm also gonna be using a prying tool. First, I'm gonna pry out this plastic cover. So just wanna stick this prying tool on the edge and pry it out. And now I'm gonna use Torx bit number 45 and I'm gonna unscrew this bolt. And now I'm gonna remove this armrest. There we go. And now I'm gonna install new armrest. So what you wanna do, you wanna align it first. Just like that. And now I'm gonna put this Torx bolt back inside. And now I'm gonna tighten that. Now the last thing, I'm just gonna put this plastic cover back on. Just wanna align it nicely and press it in until it clicks. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.